Do you want to be able to connect Calendly to Wix? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into the official Calendly website, and then you're going to also log in into your account, of course, because then you should be taken to a page very similar to this. If you're not on event types right here, just click right here on this one, as you can see, and then you should be taken to event types. Now in here, what you're going to do, you're going to select the event, or basically the appointment that you want to be able to share on your Wix. You can just click on copy link right here for the one that you want to be able to share on your Wix website. And when you're done, when you have copied the link, you can go back into your Wix website right now. So now what you're going to do on your Wix website is that you're going to click on this plus symbol right here where it says add elements. So click right here, and then you're going to click where it says embed code. And then you're going to click on popular embeds right here, and then this one, embed HTML. So just click on it. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. Now in here, you're just going to click on website address instead, and in here you're going to paste the one that you just copied before. So you're going to click on apply right here. You can close this one right here. Now as you can see, you can now see it right here. You can adjust it right here so it actually fits your website, of course, so you can see it, see everything right here. It is quite large, as you can see, but basically this is exactly how to do this.